Hello and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Thursday the 12th of January, the Richard Perry Market Analyst at Handtip Markets. Let's look at cable. And cable, again, the dollar weakness has sort of come into cable as just at the last minute, which was nice to help sort of maintain this trading range that we've had over the last sort of few months. 2080, yes, was broken yesterday as the support. 2035 pretty much was the low before rebounding. You've got what I would class as sort of an interesting candle because you've got a bullish outside day, arguably a bullish key one day reversal. But it's a fairly small-headed candle, which doesn't suggest that the bulls really got hold of it. Certainly it fell back into the close. The market is up again today, and it's up around about 70 ticks. So it is higher and it is positive, and it's sort of regaining a bit of lost ground. However, you sort of look at this chart and you still think, well, it's still negatively configured on the momentum indicators. You've still got sort of, I think you're still going to be negatively configured generally, whilst underneath this sort of reaction high resistance that we had the other day at 24.30. Last week, and I think whilst that remains intact as a resistance, I don't really think you can get overly excited about a recovery. Now you look at the hourly chart and you think, well, yes, you're back above the 22 figure level, and that is a key level to sort of break back above, because that was a pivot line that had been in place. 21.97 to the pip were the lows back in sort of late December, early Jan, and then that again hit as a basis of resistance. But you're back above that, so you're positive. However, as I said, I think you're sort of still in the mindset of selling into strength on this cable chart. So you need to break through this reaction high that we had in the beginning of Jan, 24.30. You've got that support in place at 21.60. Sorry, 21.65. That we've had just overnight today. 21.65 is a reaction low. So that is your first real reference as support. So nice band of support between sort of 21.60 to 22 figure near term, and that would be what you'd be looking out for to use as this little mini recovery goes. But I think it's going to be a very near term move, and I'm not necessarily expecting cable to be going too much higher before you see the bears coming back in and selling it down. So I'm expecting a retest of the lows, sort of 2080 again. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.